Hey everyone, here's another quick video of how you can have the preview for a YouTube video you're trying to share in your Microsoft team show up right within your chat or your posts. So by default, when you paste a YouTube link into the chat, you can do that and it'll be a hyperlink, but it's not going to actually show you any information about that link you just pasted in. So it'll just be a link that users have to click on and go to the YouTube site. But you can add a YouTube extension under apps. So if you look down here in the bottom left corner of your team's side rail here, you can click on that and just search for YouTube. And you'll see that it'll be the first option that comes up. And now I've added this already, but otherwise you would just click on that and then click add to teams. And so once you've done that, when I go back to that same team I was just showing you, now you'll see that when I start a new conversation, if I want to format this, I can see down along my options on the bottom here, I now have a YouTube icon. And so you can click on that. Now it actually allows you to search for YouTube videos too directly, which is neat. You could search for a keyword and find videos that you may want to share that you know of with your teams. Otherwise, you can also just paste the link. So if I have the link to my YouTube video that I created, I can paste that in here. It will find that, and then I can click on that. And now you can see that, again, you're going to still have to open up the YouTube site to view the video, but now you get it will actually parse the information from this video. So it'll show you the title, a preview thumbnail, the creator, the views, the when it was created, and the time. So again, that adds a little bit more of a rich experience in terms of sharing YouTube videos with your class members. So you can see the difference of what those two would look like here. Even better is if you're trying to highlight and feature a video that is easily accessible in your team, and you want to bring attention to it and have it something that's readily viewable for your students, then you can add a YouTube video as a tab. And you do that by, again, along the top of your channel here. So I'm in my general channel for this team. And along the top, I've got my different tabs, the defaults of posts, files, class, notebook, assignments, and grades. I've added the insights feature, which I highly recommend you do as well, but that's for another video. But you can click add tab and select YouTube. And then when you do that, again, you get a similar interface of being able to search YouTube for different videos. You can use keywords, or you can, again, paste your link that you were trying to add. So I'm going to add this video here. I can choose whether I want a automated post in the general channel that this has been added. Generally, when I'm adding tabs, I don't do that depending on what the usage is, but I'm going to uncheck that. And now I just click on my video. I click save. You're going to see it's going to set up that YouTube video, and it's going to add it as a tab right in my channel here. And I can actually rename this, which is nice. So we could say, just this is about Teams to Outlook calendars. That's what this video is about. So Teams meeting to Outlook. I'll just shorten the name so that it doesn't take up as much space in my tabs here. And but now you can see you get this really rich experience where you can view the video right in line in your team now. So again, in our post, we had the first option, just pasting the link in, the second one up in the chat, using the YouTube app extension to show a thumbnail. This is, again, the most interactive of the three in that you can put that tab there and it can stay there as long as you want, or you can, maybe you just use it for a class and then remove it. You can delete it at any time. You can reorder it with some of the other tabs you've added. And you notice that then, again, your students will be able to make this take up the full Teams interface, and they can click and they can view the video right in line in the Teams app without having to navigate away, which is, again, one of the huge great functionalities of Teams, is that you can do all of this in that single interface without having to navigate away. So I hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.